it's indeed a great idea to embed your YouTube video on your website or any other videos you want to show on your website. So let's learn how we can do it. For this, you need to open YouTube. So I'm just going to open YouTube, and in this you will find that which video you want to copy. For me, that I want my own videos. It could be anything, or let's say Hazel's Technologies here, and I'm just going to copy. It's a very great video. You need to see that how to embed a website into the another website. For right now, I'm just pausing this, and here you can find the option of share. So just click on the share option, and here you will get all the options that where you want to share, but right now we are looking for to embed it. So just embed it, and here you will get the option that at what point you want to start it. So right now you can just enable privacy enhance mode, and there are the API as well, but we are right now just focusing on the iframe. And same code you can copy also on your WordPress. So I'm just using here, and let's paste it here and save it. So already this file, we have created a file. If you have not seen my previous video, so I have just created inside of a empty folder, there's an index file, and this is the code for this. Earlier we have embedded a Google map. If you don't know that how to embed a Google map, so please watch my previous video, link is there. And now when I'm just going to refresh this page, so you can find it out that YouTube video is embedded. So you can embed multiple videos here, and if I'm going to play it, it is going to play like this way. So thank you so much guys. If you have any difficulty to embed it, I would say to you, please just mark me a comment and I will try to reply it as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe. And next video is that how to integrate your social media pages into your websites. So once again, thank you so much.